Hello, everybody. Rebecca here, and it's 8/1/2025. The time is 2:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you all are doing well today. So, anyways, you guys, I've been looking at the news and looking at stuff that's going on around the planet. And as I've been saying, I had been expecting the pressure from Russia over here to go southward and around the bend and all the way over here and all the way over here and then around this way. Well, guess what? I was looking to see for a bigger earthquake. However, we have had a volcano eruption. Mount Luatobi Laki has erupted and has sent ash 6 miles into the sky. It began today, and part of the eruption unfolded at night. It illuminated the darkness with a fiery glow of lava and flashes of lightning. So let me see if I can give y'all a little bit of a picture of what this volcano looked like when it erupted. Let's see if I can get this picture up here for you guys. Okay, here we go. This is the picture of the volcano erupting. So, what I do know so far is that it erupted up to 6 miles into the sky. Part of the eruption unfolded at night. The volcano eruptions are often accompanied by lightning, as a rapidly growing plume of ash generates a tremendous amount of static electricity in the atmosphere. Once enough charge builds up, it is released all at once as a bolt of lightning. Friday's eruption was the most recent recorded at Mount Luatobi Laki in recent months and years. In early July, which later blanketed nearby towns, roads, and fields with ash. People around the volcano have increasingly understood how to minimize the impact of disaster risks as eruptions become more frequent since the end of 2023. Local officials are warning nearby residents to stay at least 6 kilometers or 3.7 miles away from the volcano and to be on alert for mud flows when rain falls across the region. So I'm looking to see what news we have for this volcano having erupted. And what I can find is that it spewed a 10-kilometer, 6.2 miles of molten plume of ash topped by lightning into the Friday night sky, weeks after another huge eruption triggered dozens of flights cancellations in Bali. Mount Luatobi Laki is 1,584-meter high volcano on the tourist island of Flores. It erupted at 12:48 Greater Mountain Time, the volcano agency had put out in a statement. The height of the eruption column was observed to be approximately 10,000 meters above the summit. And that is coming from the volcanic agency. Now, we all know that that the Russian volcano erupted, and news from that is that Kamchatka, and we're going to go show you where Kamchatka volcano is in Russia. So let's get this in here. I put the wrong one in. Hang on one second. So we'll go to Kamchatka volcano. And there is some news on this volcano as well. So this is Kamchatka Sopka. Let me see if I can give y'all a good view here. So this is Kamchatka. This volcano erupted shortly after the powerful 8.8 magnitude earthquake in Russia. Kamchatka volcano in eastern Russia began erupting after and several aftershocks shook the same area. A descent of hot lava was observed on the western slope. The Geophysical Center of the Russian Academy of Sciences said in a translated post on messaging. The Kamchatka branch of the Academy captured the eruption on cameras, observed the volcano. So this is what the Kamchatka looked like when it erupted. And let's get this picture so that we can show you. Let's get this open here. I do have a screenshot of this one as well. This is what this volcano looked like when it erupted. The Kamchatka branch of the Academy captured the eruption on cameras, observed the volcano, and the ash plume from the eruption extended at least 1.5 miles or above 36 miles east of the volcano. The Kamchatka Volcano Eruption Response Team stated the group warned that the explosions of the ash up to 5 miles or 8 kilometers high could occur at any time. Details about the full extent of the eruption and damages are still unknown at this time. In the weeks leading up to the earthquake, the volcano was showing signs of unrest, according to U.S. Geological Survey. Representatives stated on July 21st, a team of Russian scientists found a lava lake at the summit of the volcano, signaling that the volcano was primed for eruption. So there was a lava lake at the top of the volcano before the 8.8 hit. While the earthquake did not cause the eruption to begin, it did increase the likelihood and the vigor of the eruption, including some ash emission. And that came from U.S. Geological Survey. Kamchatka, which rises 4,754 meters or 15,597 feet above sea level, is the tallest active volcano in Asia and Europe, and that's according to the NASA Earth Observatory. The volcano sits on Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, a hotspot for geologic activity due to its position on the Ring of Fire. The eruption came hours after the 8.8 magnitude earthquake and was tied for the 6th most powerful earthquake ever recorded. It struck on the same peninsula Wednesday at 11:24 a.m. local time. The earthquake could generate tsunami waves higher than 10 feet above the tide on the coast of Hawaii, Ecuador, and Russia. And that was a warning that was put out by the U.S. National Tsunami Warning Center, which warned after the earthquake struck. The volcano is about 280 miles north of Petropavlovsk, Kamchatka, the regional capital city. It last erupted in late 2023 when it spewed a 1,000-mile-long river of dust and ash that reached up to 7.5 miles or 12 kilometers above Earth's surface. The eruption is a typical activity at this very active volcano, the USGS representative stated. The volcano is in a remote area, and this eruption is consistent with other recent past eruptions. So that is the information that I can give you regarding both of these volcanoes having erupted. And let me see what else other news I can give you. That is the only news that I can give you so far regarding these two volcanoes. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe wherever you are in the world. I hope you all are having a great day. Please remember to like, subscribe, share the video. If you want to help out, we do have a PayPal below the video. Anyways, you guys, I love you. Please remember to tell someone you love them. Tomorrow is never promised, and make each day an adventure. Much love.